latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
We all think that almonds are good for health and highly beneficial, which is absolutely true. Munching on them is considered healthy as they are loaded with vitamin E. Almonds are one of the most widely consumed tree nuts across the globe. Almonds are packed with stunning health benefits which include protein, fiber, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium and vitamin E. They help to keep your skin healthy, lower rates of heart disease, decrease the risk of cancer and reduce blood pressure levels. But what if you're overdoing the snacking? Is there any harmful impact of eating almonds more than you should? Yes, there are few effects which include gastrointestinal problem which occurs when excess almonds are consumed. If you are consuming a lot of almonds, it can cause constipation or bloating and might upset your stomach. Almonds are high in fat content and calories. If consumption of almonds is excess, it can lead to fat deposition in your body and you might put on more weight. If you consume them in excess, it can lead to toxicity in your body. This is because they contain hydrocyanic acid. Overconsumption can lead to breathing problem, nervous breakdown, choking and even death. That is why it is a strict dietary prohibition for pregnant women. But are there people who should avoid almonds? Yes, according to a study, there are some people who should temporarily avoid eating almonds. According to researchers, people on laxatives, blood pressure and antibiotics medicines should discuss with their dietitian before including almonds in their diet. As almonds are naturally quite high in manganese, consuming a lot of almonds on top of a manganese-rich diet might trigger drug interactions. People who have nut allergy, get hives, swelling and face difficulty in breathing after eating nuts should also avoid almonds. Eating nuts may lead to anaphylaxis, which is life-threatening. If this happens, consult a doctor immediately. In case young children and older people are facing difficulty in swallowing, then the consumption of almonds should be avoided. It could increase the risk of choking. People suffering from dementia, Parkinson's disease and reduced mobility may have a risk as well. Almonds contain an excessive amount of vitamin E. Consuming excessive almonds along with a vitamin E supplement can lead to vitamin E overdose. This can cause lethargy, blurred vision, headaches, diarrhea and flatulence. Hope these tips help you be more cautious in your diet.